चीन से कशीदगी के दरमियान फ़ज़ाइया चीफ RKS भदौरिया ने बयान दिया है। उन्होंने कहा कि हिंदुस्तान शिमाली खित्ते में दोनों महाज पर जंग के लिए तैयार है। उनका कहना है कि रफ़ाल के बेड़े में शामिल होने से फ़ज़ाइया की ताकत में इजाफा हुआ है। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि ईस्टर्न फ्रंट पर भी हिंदुस्तानी फ़ज़ाइया मुस्तैद है और किसी भी सूरत हाल से निपटने को तैयार है।
We come close to striking? No. Okay. Were we prepared for it? Yes. Collusive threat, there were some newspaper reports, Kadu, this is happening, that is happening. We are observing all the activities across. To my mind, there was no indication that there is anything that indicates that they are planning a collusive threat. It goes without saying that we are aware that China and Pakistan are cooperating closely, and Pakistan is now increasingly dependent on China for their defense supplies, and they are doing a lot of exercises together. They are embedded in their teams in some form or the other at times, and this activity in terms of their bilateral exercises is on the increase, significant increase. But it is not to say that there is a sign that there will be collusive threat and we are deployed for a two-front war.